my God! Oh, fuck. Oh, Pilbert's back. Oh. Good morning, guys. This is my 5 weeks after my liposuction update. I got my armpit, arms, and entire back lipo. Let me show you the scars that I got from the surgery. Actually, dili kayo siya like dako nga scars. Gamay ra siya tungod sa katong cannula thingy na ilang gi-use para sa pag-suction sa fat. Like, oh, where siya usa ka grain sa rice. That one. Ever it's so embarrassed to share it with you, but whenever I get fat, ang akong build sa lawas is yung upper body, yung what do you call that? Yung magmamalaki. What do you call that? Yung upper body, yung lumalaki. I want to take this off para to show you better. Ta-da! Now I took off my compression garment. This is what it looks like. Wag ko nagpa-boob job guys ha. Normal na siya. Inborn, built-in. O the, gamay na ba ko guys? Oh my God! Oh, fuck. Oh, Pilbert's back. Oh. Ibig ko sa akong new arms dance. Yeah. I can sling yun. Ooh! No, guys, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Before guys, this is bulgy like this and that one. The armpit na pa, armpit. This is my armpit. So, this is one of the scars that I got from the surgery. That one here as well. Yeah, and that scar. Wait, that one, this one, that one. Oh my God, look at my armpit. My armpit was also bulgy before, like this, and then choop. Now it's, oh my God, lubong na siya. It's caved in. Lubong na siya. Meron akong tanang sa Shopee nga model sa Shein nga. Lubong dyan. Lubong dyan siya, guys. Oh. Oh, may isa ko, guys, ha. And if I put my arms down, look. Ooh. Before it was like, like bubbles of fat. Yeah. So, Pilbert's back. So now, my host Pilbert's back. Philippines! More to guys, okay. Someone's taking me shopping later about. So mag-shop ko new dress para sa kong new body.